Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and scroll on down and smash that subscribe button to join me on all my Minecraft adventures, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Marky, and in today's video we're going to be heading to the McDonald's Dimension to hopefully get a nice, round, juicy, plump Big Mac, guys, in our mouth. Wow, that sounded kind of bad, but that is basically what you go to McDonald's to do. So what you guys are going to need to head to the McDonald's Dimension is you're going to need 10 yellow wool. You want to go ahead and place 2 of them on the ground, just like that, guys. Then you're going to need fur red wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of those on each side of the yellow wool, just like that, guys. Make sure it looks exactly like that. And after it looks like that, you want to go ahead and jump on up, and then you just want to go ahead and you want to place 1, 2, 3 yellow wool, and then 1 red wool on top, just like that, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and jump on down and place 3 yellow wool on this side. So 1, 2, 3, and then 2 in the middle, guys. And oh my gosh, what is that cow and chicken doing over there, guys? Are they plotting to shut down McDonald's? And oh my god, there's a floating block over there as well, guys. Whoa, that is crazy. That is really crazy. But now you want to go ahead and place that, and then go ahead and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just built, because I know you built it. You had to have built it because everybody wants to go to McDonald's. Now you just want to light it up with your flint and steel, and wow, that looks amazing, guys. Don't that look absolutely amazing? That looks absolutely amazing. Now it's time to go ahead and head on into this dimension and hopefully get our big, juicy, deluxe Krabby Patty. Oh no, I mean Big Mac. I don't know what I was talking about back there, but whoa, where is it? Oh my god, right there's the McDonald's, guys. Wow, that looks absolutely amazing. And oh my god, I'm going to have to tell them what I want. I want 2 Big Macs, 2 4-piece chicken nuggets, and some Big Mac sauce on the side. What? What? They just told me that that's a drive-thru, not a walk-through. They are so rude, guys. They are really, really rude to their customers. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and see what's in their cash register for that one. Oh my god, they got 50 emeralds. Wow, what do they have in the other chest? Let's go ahead and see what they have in this chest. What? 55 emeralds? Whoa, you guys are loaded, and this is only 1 day of business? That's crazy, guys. Let's go ahead and see what's going on back here. Nothing in the furnace. Wow, you guys disappoint me. But whoa, they have a lot of beef patties, guys. I'm going to go ahead and take that. And whoa, they have a lot of bread as well. They must be making a lot of Big Macs, guys, but no chicken nuggets? Where's the chicken, guys? Where is the chicken? I see the beef. It's just, where's the chicken? Like, they ain't got no chicken at all. I cannot believe you guys. You know what? Since you guys ain't got no chicken, I'm going to blow you up with my TNT card through your drive-thru. And if you guys actually want to go ahead and make a TNT card, just follow these steps. Put 2 TNT like that, and then 4 TNT across, just like that, guys. And now you just want to go ahead and put 2 on the ground, just like that, and then 2 in front of it, and then 2 in front of it, and then you just want to go ahead and put 2 more in front of it, and then you just want to put 2 like that, guys, and then put the front tires on. Make sure you put the front tires on. That makes it look like a hot rod. And then the hood, and then the other tire, and then the other passenger there, guys, and boom. Don't that look absolutely amazing? Now will you guys give me chicken nuggets? No? How about if I bring my pig? Will you give me some chicken nuggets if I bring my pig? What? They still won't give me no chicken nuggets. They was actually trying to cook him up and put him on a Big Mac as bacon. A bacon Big Mac? That don't even sound good. You know what? I'm gonna blow you guys up for that. Since you guys want to scare my pig and you want to feed me my own pig, they actually wanted to feed me my pig as bacon on my Big Mac. Now that I think about it, that don't sound that bad. That would actually probably be pretty delicious, to be honest, guys. But you know what? You don't do it. It's just unacceptable. And now I'm going to blow McDonald's up, guys. Ronald McDonald would not be proud of this McDonald's. So let's go ahead and blow this baby up. Hopefully we go flying in the air. Oh my god, did you guys see us? We actually did like some kind of circle pull. Whoa. That McDonald's absolutely got wrecked. But the sign still stands. The golden arch still stands, guys. I'll just have to buff those scratches out later so I don't go to prison. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing Minecraft dimension down in the comment section below. And also let me know what dimension you want to see me head to next. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.